How to fix the issue where your AirPods are connected but you don't hear any sound on your Windows computer. So if you come down to the volume icon on your taskbar, you can see that we're currently connected to these AirPods, but when I try to play any video or any sound, I can't hear anything from the AirPods. Now I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this. So first thing we need to do is open up the start menu on your computer and then go and click on settings. From the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices and you should be able to see your AirPods from the list. Now if you don't see your AirPods, you can always click on view more devices and you should be able to find it from here. Now just go and click on the drop down arrow next to your AirPods and you'll have the option to remove this device. Click on remove. Now that's going to completely get rid of the AirPods from your computer. So once you've done this, you can just head over to your AirPods, and the first thing we're going to do is make sure both of the AirPods are plugged inside of the case like this. You then need to go and grab your charging cable and just place the AirPods on charge for around about 15 minutes. You should see an orange light when you've actually plugged in this cable, and this just indicates that the case is actually charging. Now once you've ensured that your AirPods have enough charge, we're just going to flick open the lid like so, and then you're going to hold down the power button located on the back of the case, and you need to hold this down for around about 20 seconds. So I'll do this with you now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So we're going to continue to hold this button down. You'll see a blinking white light on the AirPods case, and you need to continue to hold this button down until eventually the white flickering light turns to an orange or an amber light. As soon as you see the orange light, you can go and release the power button. You'll then see a white light and you can go and close the lid of your AirPods. Now once you've done this, you can head back over to the settings on your computer, click on Bluetooth devices once again and select add device. You can then click on Bluetooth and now it's going to scan for any devices. So all we need to do is flick open the lid of your AirPods, click on show all devices, and your AirPods should show up in this list here. If you don't see them straight away, you can always just close out of this window and click on add device again, come back over to Bluetooth and you should be able to see your AirPods. So once you see these, we're just going to click on it like so. As you can see, it will say connected. You could then just press done at the bottom of this page. You could then close out of this window and you should now be able to play sound through your AirPods on your computer. If it's still not working, then just right click on the volume icon in the bottom taskbar and click on sound settings. Now next to output, we need to make sure our AirPods are selected from this list, and this is basically where we want the sound to be playing out from on our computer. So once you have your AirPods selected, make sure the volume slider is also turned up like so. You can then close out of this window and you should now be able to hear sound through your AirPods. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.